Mitranam, Mitrulara, Bandhulara, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your presenter, Dr. REddy. We are continuing part 9 of Uttaranchal series. Why this series will be very unique and interesting. If you go to the human civilization history, all the native people before they were converted into Islam and Christianity, they worshipped the nature, river, mountains, sun, and moon. When they lost to these invaders and they were forced to take up the some characters in the books called gods, sending special revelations to certain other fictitious or imaginary or real historical characters. That's why their religion got changed. By studying the certain regions on the planet Earth, such as Bharat, where still the native religions are practiced, you can know a great thing about human civilization. That little digression gives overall the picture of the Deva Bhumi, Uttaranchal. Uttarakhand, we are talking about Deva Bhumi. The Bharat itself is considered as a Deva Bhumi, divine land, among which Uttaranchal plays a very special role. I have taken time to put these presentations for you, Mitrona, and we are today talking about Bilangna River Basin. This red one is the Bilangna River, that is a tributary of Bhagirathi River, which after joining with Alaknanda forms the Ganga River, Ganga Mata River. Bilangna River is east side tributary, or if you travel like that, this is the left hand tributary of Bhagirathi River, like Asiganga is its right hand tributary, and Jat Ganga is also its upstream contributor to Bhagirathi. This is about the here we will not be just talking about the river, we will be showing the topographical presentations of the fascinating the river basin. So at the later half of the presentation, I will take you through 3 or 4 different maps where you will get a great clarity about the Bilangna river, that is a tributary of Bhagirathi river, whereas the Mandakini river is a tributary of Alakananda Mata river. Presentation 0, I have put a broader presentation of the 27 physiographic regions, geographic regions of Devabhumi, Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand. That is a broader. Now we are exploring a particular Bhagirathi, part 9, Bilangna River Valley, Bilangna River Basin. For the broader perspective, you can look at that presentation. Mitranam, this is the part 9 of our Uttaranchal series, Devabhumi series, Uttarakhand, Bilangna River Valley Basin. What is so unique about the physical geography when compared to political geography? Here you will see. This is the political geographical map, administrative geographic map about Uttaranchal region, northern part of former United Provinces or United Provinces of Agra and Awadh. You see just district boundaries, taluk boundaries and so on, Nepal here. Same region, here we are showing the physical map. That means how the region physically looks like the terrain, the ups and downs, mountains, plateaus, rivers, peneplains, valleys, and so on. By looking that, you can get a broader, deeper understanding of the land. This is the northern part, Himachal region, doesn't have many people. Middle part has some population. Southern part, especially Tarai, Babbar, Ganga, Maidan region bordering, where the most people live. Why it happens like that means you have to understand the physical geography that we are talking about today. And Mitranam, if you are new to my presentations, you can go to South Asia Maps REddy. I have more than 600 or so presentations. I organized them for your convenience into round about 70 or so playlists. You can pick and choose the one you like. That is South Asia Maps REddy. So you have to have a broader understanding of this land before we venture into further and see. So here, this is the Yamuna river, this is the Ganga river, Ramaganga river, Kali Nadi or Mahakali Nadi. Essentially, Uttaranchal region on Purbi side, east side is demarcated by from the Nepal side, Kali river border or Mahakali. It is also called Sarda river downstream. Western side, it is demarcated by the Tons, Pabbar, Tons and Yamuna river border. Between them, you will see Uttaranchal region. Other important river is the Dauli Ganga here, that is the Paschim Dauli Ganga, and Alakananda. Paschim Dauli Ganga joining Alakananda afterwards continues at Devaprayag, joins Bhagirathi, and Alakananda becomes Ganga. So this entire river basin part almost divides into western and eastern almost to two equal halves. Bilangna is a tributary of Bhagirathi. Remember B and B. Whereas the Mandakini river is a tributary of Alakananda. This is Devaprayag. ABCD means A is Alakananda, B is Bhagirathi river. Both join D. Drop the C. Next is D. Devaprayag. And original among the five prayags, there are Vishnu Prayag. How to remember? Very easy. Remember the freedom fighter Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Savarkar, Mrutyunjay Veer Savarkar or VD Savarkar. Vishnu Prayag, Deva Prayag. You got the two Prayags. Then you have the Karna Prayag, the Rudra Prayag, that is Mr. Mandakini river, Rudra Prayag joins. Then Pinda river is the Karna Prayag. When Karna passed away, Pinda, the final rites were performed by Yudhishthira. Pinda river, Karna Prayag. Then you have Nanda Prayag, then you have Vishnu Prayag. Vishnu Prayag, Deva Prayag. So that's the one way you can easily remember. And after I talk a little bit about the river basin, and we'll go through the various 3 or 4 maps where I will show you, you will get a clear clarity of the Bilangna river after this presentation. Again, these are the abbreviations and we already discussed there. So if you know this broader idea and you can understand this, what are the boundaries? Okay, this is the Bilangna river. So between the Srikanta Kedarkant range and Srikanta ranges here, and the river joins at Tehri town, old Tehri town, that was the capital of Tehri Garhwal princely state. The mouth is the Bhagirathi river at Tehri town. Now the Tehri town, after dam construction got submerged, there is a new Tehri town. So Bilangna river starts its journey from Katling Glacier, 3700 meters or so, up to Tehri town. Tehri town. Before that, it gathers a major tributary called Bal Ganga river at a town called Ghansali. Bal Ganga river before that gathers other tributary called Dharma Ganga river. Dharma Ganga meets Bala Ganga at a place called Buddha Kedar or 30 Kedar. The town itself is around about 15-20 meters. Remember, mountains are higher, the river is at lower level. So you can see the Ghansali town is around about 978 meters where it gets the Bal Ganga river. Tehri town itself is 755 meters. Hardwar may be around about 250 meters or so, where the Ganga descends into Ganga Maidan, Gangetic Plains or Ganga Basin or Ganga Valley. It's called debauching of the river. River from the mountains falls into the plain. That's what it is. Landmarks Ghansali town and Tehri town are on the bank of the river, and the district is mostly the parts of the Tehri Garhwal district, that is Pratapnagar Tehsil, Ghansali Tehsil and Tehri Tehsil of Tehri Garhwal district. And we will look at the river first. So always start with your landmark. So this is the obviously Ganga river. Hardwar will be somewhere here. Hardwar, Rishikesh will be here. So the river goes, this is the Devaprayag. So this is the Pauri, I think this is Srinagar. And this is the Pauri, this is the where the river joins, this is the Devaprayag. So this is the Bilangna river. So this is the Uttarkasi, this is the Asiganga river, that is Bhagirathi river tribute. So you can see the Bilangna river. Bilangna river is a tributary of Bhagirathi river. Bilangna river gathers Balganga river at Gansali town. At the other town, it gathers the Dharmaganga river. Balganga river, you see the Balganga river, you see the Dharmaganga river. I forgot the town, I have mentioned it in the presentation, you can see. And there's a glacier, Katling glacier somewhere here, Bilangna. Katling glacier, this is the Kedarinath, Badrinath areas. From Katling glacier to Gansali to finally Tekhri, where it joins its mouth. Mouth means where the river joins. That is the Bhagirathi river is the mouth. We have seen that part. We can go and look at other. This particular map is not that great for this, but anyway, this is the Ganga river. You can see the Ganga river. So this Bijnor will be somewhere here. Bijnor will be somewhere here. Yeah, Bijnor will be here. Roorkee is in the other river. So Hardwar here, Rishikesh will be somewhere here. Devaprayag here. You can see Devaprayag here. Tekhri, wherever you see the Tekhri, Bilangna river joins Bhagirathi or Tekhri. So this the Katling glacier will be somewhere here. Katling glacier. This is the Kedarinath. This is the Badrinath Gangotri glacier. So Katling glacier here. Balganga river. This is the Dharmaganga river. This is the Bhagirathi. It's main. So that part is clear. And so here we have seen the same. This gives a, so this red one is the Alkananda river. This is the Paschim Dhauli Ganga, Western Dhauli Ganga, Pindar river, where Karnaprayag is present and Devaprayag is here. This is the Mandakini river, where Mr. M is Mandakini, R is Rudraprayag will be here. This is the Bilangna river. This is the Balganga river. This is the Katling glacier. This is the Dharmaganga river and Balganga. You can see this blue area is the Tehri Dam. Koteshwar Dam will be somewhere here. So this is the Bhagirathi river. Bilangna is the tributary of Bhagirathi river, which is one of the two major streams of Ganga river. So we can see the same in different perspective. Always you have to remember this is the Alkananda river, Badrinath, Joshimath, all will be here. This is the Paschim Dhauli Ganga, West Dhauli Ganga river. It joins at Rudraprayag. This is the Birahi Ganga. This is the Nanda Prayag, Nandakini river, Nanda Prayag. This is the Pindar river. That means the Karna Prayag. This is the Mandakini river, MR Mr. That means this is the Rudraprayag. This is the Bilangna river. This is the Tehri town will be here. This is the Bal Ganga. This is the Dharma Ganga. Gansali town will be there. It joins at Rudraprayag, sorry, Devaprayag. Downstream gets the Nayar river. Cuts through the Missouri hill ranges, the middle Himalayas and Sivaliks. Enters into Rishikesh, Hardwar and goes to Bijnor and so on. So you can see the river here again. See, you have to see the Devaprayag. Here, Devaprayag means this is the river. Koteshwar Dam, he is here. Tekhri, this is the new Tekhri. Wherever you see Tekhri, that's the where Bilangna river joins. Gansali, it gets the Balganga river. And Balganga river, prior that gets Dharmaganga river. So this is all you can see the nice valley until Kotling glacier. Here, that is Bilangna river, that is the tributary of Bhagirathi Mata Bhagirathi river. And again you can see the Rishikesh here, Devaprayag here and Tehri. You see Tehri means where the river joins Bilangna. You can see Gansali will be somewhere here. Yeah, that's the Balganga river. Dharmaganga river joins. So it continues here and the Gatling glaciers. is a Gatling Glacier here. Gatling Glacier. And whenever you see the Tehri Dam, New Tehri, that's the river. And the river, yeah, this is the Bilangna river. And you get Balganga, Dharmaganga, Tehri Dam. And again, you see the Rishikesh Haridwar. The road is built. Now railway line is planned. So red line is the railway line. That means this is the Devaprayag. This is the Devaprayag. You can see the river here and the river here and river here. This is the Tehri town. So then Tehri town, you can see, yeah, this is the Bilangna river. This is the Balganga river. That's Dharmaganga river. Yeah. Gansali town will be here. Yeah, that's about the fascinating. Before that, I will show you the what are the administrative regions. The river basin is pretty almost very narrow, we can say, but some of the taluks we can look at it. You start Devaprayag, yeah, Devaprayag here. So essentially Gansali Tehsil, some parts of Pratap Nagar perhaps, maybe Jakoli from Rudraprayag, some streams may come, but I am not 100% sure. But that's essentially this region, Pratap Nagar, Ganshali, and before Tehri. So this area is the basin, the river basin, the catchment area. So that's about the fascinating Bilangna river, that is the tributary of Bhagirathi river. Next, we will look at Mandakini river, Mandakini Mata river, that is a tributary of Alaknanda river. Thank you very much joining Mitronam, and if you like the presentations, you can post your comments or any criticisms or suggestions, or even you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends so that the information goes to the audience like you. Dhanyavad again. Vanakkam, JT Reddy.